NDL is a developer platform designed to abstract local infrastructure complexity through a Kubernetes-like manifest approach. NDL allows engineers to focus on business logic, not orchestration. This guide demonstrates how NDL unifies development workflows by deploying a Node.js application and a Deno application side by side on a local machine. We begin with a standard Node.js microservice to demonstrate how NDL wraps standard runtime into a managed distributed component. This is a simple server listening on port 3000. In a traditional setup, managing ports across multiple microservices becomes brittle. NDL solved this via dynamic routing. NDL uses Kubernetes-like manifests to define the service contract. This file acts as the bridge between your code and the NDL platform, handling service discovery and environment injection. Here, we'll call out a few things: the service name, the command, the port, and the runtime environment port. Let's see the platform in action. We'll start the NDL platform. This spins up the local control plane that manages your distributed environment. We can verify the control plane status by running NDL status to ensure the core operators are running. The gateway on port 18400 acts as the ingress for your local mesh. Next, we'll apply the manifest. This will deploy the service configuration. NDL traverses the directory, reads the manifest.yaml, and provisions the service. We'll do this by running NDL apply-f, period. We can retrieve the deployment status. Note how NDL assigns endpoints, abstracting the underlying port management. We do this by running NDL get deployments --y. Verify the service is reachable through the managed NDL gateway. We'll do this by running curl-s and the endpoint we just copied. And the result should be hello node from NDL. Next, we'll open up our browser, paste that link that we just copied, and we get the same response back, hello node from NDL. To demonstrate NDL's ability to manage diverse ecosystems in a single distributed architecture, we will deploy a Deno service alongside the Node.js service. A TypeScript server listening on port 8000. NDL applies the same manifest-driven logic to Deno, normalizing the deployment process across different languages. First, we could check that the platform is still running NDL status. Then we'll go ahead and apply -nf to this project group. Check-in deployment now shows both services running simultaneously, simulating a multi-service architecture. As before, we could test the endpoint. We'll copy it to a curl-s with the new endpoint. See the results. Move over to our browser, open a new tab, paste a new link, and we get the same results. Teardown is as simple as NDL stop. Go back to the command prompt, type NDL stop, and all services will be taken down, cleaned up, and you're back to a fresh start.